In this video, I'll be teaching you today on how you can hide your old post from new people on Facebook. So I'll show you step by step in this video how to do that. So let's get right into it. Now, if you're looking for this option, you're going to want to go ahead and click the menu option at the bottom right hand corner. Scroll down until you head over to settings and privacy and click on settings here. Now, you're going to want to go down to the audience visibility settings. Now, it'll be under preferences here, and then go ahead and click on the post option. Now, when you do this, here you have the option, the second option, to limit who can see past posts. Now, all you have to do here is just click view, and then here it gives you the option to limit who can see past posts on your timeline. So it's going to say, if you choose to limit your past posts on your timeline that you share with friends and public posts will now be shared only with friends. Anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may also see these posts still or whatever. So if that's for you, click the limit past post. It's going to give you another disclaimer here, and if you're for it, go ahead and click the limit past post button, and that'll go ahead and hide your old post from new people on Facebook. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider leaving a like on the video, subscribing to the channel, and yeah guys, I will see you all for the next